Alrighty, so we got the bumper back from powder coat. Our good buddy Bill the powder coater hooked us up. Got a really nice textured black on there. Got the spare tire carrier there as well. We're gonna use what's left of the rear bumper, get that installed, and then get our spare tire carrier back on there as well. All right guys, that wraps up the welding, fabrication, and installation of this rear bumper and tire carrier by Ascend Fabrications. Pretty happy with the product. I think it came out really good. They did a really good job designing the kit. Made it pretty straightforward to weld it all up together. So again, shout out to those guys, Ascend Fab. Good job on designing that. Welded that all up, got it powder coated, installed, and really excited to see the future stages of this build. Like to see some nice tires on here, right on the back, and see this thing beefed up and maybe even some off-roading. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.